garden. He went to the store and got a pack of seeds. He went home and planted them. He went inside for a while, then came back out and saw something.
Ooh.
He ran inside. He was so surprised. Then he came back out inside and heard something.
3, 4, 4, 4.
He wanted to find it, so he climbed up the beanstalk. And he was on the clouds. Then he heard it again.
3, 4, 4, 4.
And then he saw it, the giant. He ran for his life. When he reached the beanstalk, he got down, and right as the giant came to climb down, he cut the beanstalk down. And the giant fell with the beanstalk. Then he lived happily ever after.